How to fix Ethernet spiking in Task Manager on Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On this video, we'll be discussing 3 such ways to fix this issue. To start off with, you can update the driver for the application. So for that, what you can do is open the device manager and then click on network adapters. Choose the application or the program that is causing the issue, right click on it and then update driver. For the next solution, what we can apply is change DNS. So on the search bar, type in network. This way you can open view network connections. Under this, select your Ethernet, right click on it and go to its properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then go to properties. Then you have to select use the following DNS and manually you need to keep the DNS as 8.8.8.8 and in alternate 8.8.4.4. Similarly, the third solution could be ending the task which is causing the high bandwidth problem or spiking Ethernet connection problem through the task manager. So for this, what you can do is open the task manager from the search bar. Select the device or application that is causing the problem, right click on it, end task or restart it. Similarly, for the final solution, we can reset our network settings. For this, you have to open command prompt and run it as administrator. Click on the search bar as CMD. For the reset of the network settings, you can apply few of the commands which is given on the description below. You just have to copy paste each of the line and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.